This is a 2010 Honda CR-V. Enough space for everything in life. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.